Hello, hello, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. Welcome, y'all, to my channel. I am TErickaLove, y'all. How are you all doing, Pisces, Aries, Cusp? How are you doing? How you doing? Okay, you doing good? You doing great? Hopefully, yes. Just speak it, okay? Speak it, all right? So, Pisces, Aries, Cusp, I am going to get you all some advice for Valentine's Day. Yay! Some Valentine's Day advice, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay. So please know, Pisces, Aries, Cusp, that these will be general messages. They may or may not resonate with all of you beautiful individuals. If you find messages here that resonate, y'all know y'all can take them with you. If you find messages here that does not resonate with you at all, then just please do leave them here on the table to allow someone to pick them up that they will resonate with. Okay, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. Now, let's get started. We're going to get your overall energy here, or just get the theme song for you, or the song that is going to put you in the mood here on Valentine's Day. All right. All right, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. The lyrics here to your song is: skirt around my waist and the wall is against my face. I feel your lips. Oh my goodness, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. Let's see what song is that. Janet Jackson, Anytime, Any Place. I am going to put the link to this song in the description box, you all. So go listen to it. That's going to put you in the mood, all right? Janet Jackson, Anytime, Any Place. Oh, that's how y'all feeling on Valentine's Day. All right. So let's jump into this advice for you, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. Let's get Pisces, Aries, Cusp some advice for Valentine's Day. Oh, okay. So you got unexpected here, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. There is going to be unexpected people, events, messages here, situations, or traveling. Okay, so expect the unexpected on Valentine's Day. All right. You got rejection here, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. This rejection is actually divine protection. All right, so I don't know, maybe advice is for you all that whoever is trying to come in unexpectedly, you could possibly be rejecting someone here, okay? Or I don't know, maybe just not gonna take heed to their advances on Valentine's Day. All right, because you are waiting for divine time. Okay, you got destiny here in divine time, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. So okay, so you can expect an apology. Maybe somebody is going to be coming in trying to give you an apology here. You can expect the apology you want to hear, Pisces, Aries, Cusp, on Valentine's Day. So let's get you all some more advice. Oh my goodness gracious, you got running, stalking here, all up in your business. Let me see what's going on, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. Okay. Somebody might be holding a grudge here against you, or let's just make sure you don't go into Valentine's Day still holding a grudge here. You kind of want to go in with positive energy here, okay? Let's see. Let's get some more advice for Pisces, Aries, Cusp. All right, you're going to be thinking about your money here. You could be having some unexpected money coming in around Valentine's Day, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. But you're going to be focused on your money, all right? Could be making it rain here, okay? So, I don't know. You're going to be partying. You could be partying here, all right? You got low IQ here, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. So, that is telling me that maybe someone is going to be trying to learn something about you. Maybe someone is looking for some type of information and it's not coming to them here. I don't know, because hopefully you're not dealing with someone with the low IQ here, or this could just signify to me that you're not putting any more thought towards maybe a person or a situation here, okay? Could be towards this stalker. All right, Pisces, Aries, because somebody gonna be stalking you here, watching you. This person is a bit obsessed here, okay? Let's get you some more advice here, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. All right, you got the hands of time, so Someone wants to grow old with you here, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. Okay. All right. And you got the mask is on. So things are not what they seem. So I guess make sure on Valentine's Day you are just seeing things clearly here. Okay. All right. You got fun times. So there will be, you could be going to a party here maybe. But there's going to be a lot of, well, it's going to be fun times for you on Valentine's Day, okay? And you also got weather out the storm. So I don't know, maybe y'all are going to be close here, getting close to somebody that maybe you rejected, or they could have previously rejected you, but they're coming in for an apology or to give you an apology. They've been watching you here. They've been watching you make it rain. They've been watching you get into your money here. So yeah, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. This person is going to want to, somebody coming towards you and they want to grow old with you here. Okay, could be around Valentine's Day or somewhere, you know. But yeah, you got somebody in your energy that is wanting a second chance. And I don't know if you're holding a grudge against this person or they were previously holding one against you. Maybe they're holding a grudge because they see you doing some stuff. I don't know, Pisces, Aries, Cusp. But these are y'all messages for Valentine's Day, your advice, okay? Hopefully it will be helpful. Thank you so much for joining me. I salute the divinity in you all. I am sending you all so much love, so much light, so much positivity. And I will see you all next time, okay? Bye.